Hello guys, in today's session we're going to talk about LeetCode problem 1338. So the problem statement states that you are given an integer array. You can choose a set of integers and remove all the occurrence of these integers in the array. Return the minimum size of the set so that at least half of the integers of the array are removed. So let's take an example and understand this. We are given an example array equal to 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 2, 2 and 7. So we can choose here 3 and 7 and we remove all occurrences of 3 and 7. So our new array would be 5, 5, 5, 2 and 2, which has a size of 5. So we would accept that we need a size of at most half of our array's original array size. So in this case our original array size is 10. So we would return integers that we can remove so that our array size become at most half, equal to 5 or less than 5. Possible different sets that we can remove here are 3 and 5. So after removing all occurrences of 3 and 2, we can have an array of size 5. Same goes for 3 and 2 and 5 and 2. But we cannot choose here 2 and 7 because after removing 2 and 7, our new array is equal to 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, which has a size greater than half of the size of the old array. Here we can also remove elements more than 2 also, like 3, 5 and 2 and all their occurrences, but we cannot do that because our question states that we need to return the minimum size of the set, so that our new array size is at most half. So our first intuition would be to go for different combination, that is brute force method, to solve this, but that would not be an ideal solution. So here what we do is we use a map to store occurrence of integers in our map and sort them in descending order. It's quite intuitive to remove integers of most occurrence to make our array size half or less and minimize our return value. So what we do here is we store the integers and their frequencies, occurrences in a map, and we sort them in descending order, and we start removing it. If our array size becomes less than or equal to half of our original array size, we just return the number of integers that we removed. So now let's code this thing. I'm going to loop through the array and store the character frequencies in a map. So this would store all the frequencies of the integers in the map. Now we have to sort them in descending order. So what we do is we store the values, map values, in a list. We call the list frequent. What map.values does is it gives us all the values of the map, here occurrences of the integers, and yes, now we need to sort them in descending order. This would sort them in descending order. Now what we need to do is we need to traverse until and remove these frequencies from our original array length until our array length becomes at most half of the original length. In this case, when we are dealing with this first array, example 1, it would be 10, our original array length, and when we remove characters like 3 and 7, it would become 5. So we return integer return value equal to 2 because we removed only 2 integers here, 3 and 7. and that is also the minimum integers that we need to remove from this array. So this would do the trick. First we store our original array length into total length, and then we keep on continuing. We remove the frequency of the integer most occurred every time, and if our array size becomes less than or equal to half of our original array length, we just return the count value. So let's see. Yeah, does it. Thank you for watching.